everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and this is not an unboxing or whatever, but this is more of an updated review on the thing that I already built, the stand. So I mean, I got another one today. They had the straps in here, and I was like, with the weight, you don't need the straps, is what I told you guys. But that is a lie. You definitely need these straps. My mom already bumped into it once. I bumped into it once, and one of the tides fell over, and they're very heavy. And so when that fell over, it broke my iPhone stand. So now my iPhone stand broke. The leg kind of got snapped on it. So that kind of really stunk. All right, so like I was saying, the update is pretty much, make sure you use the strap that comes with it, because there's already 2 times. We only had this thing for, a couple of weeks now. We knocked it off twice, and this thing is really heavy. If this cracks or this cracks, you're gonna have a mess everywhere that you're not gonna wanna clean up. You're gonna be miserable, because it's not like water. It's thick, and also, like you could break something, like I broke my stand, and you can land on your foot. I mean, if you're old like me, I mean, it's gonna hurt. I'm old, so I mean, this thing lands on my foot, that's it. So yeah, that's it. It just goes like this, pretty much, and you're just gonna, at least now when you bump into it, it's not gonna go anywhere. That's all I'm saying about the update. Everything else is, this thing is awesome. It holds the weight really well. I'm going to put 2 full containers on there as an update. So these are 2 full containers, which are pretty heavy. And this goes like this. And there we go. So it doesn't have any designated strap holes or anything special like that. But I really don't care. I mean, believe me, from what we saw, what can happen, these are good enough. I'll be happy with this. Okay, there we go. So that's with 2 full containers. That's the kind of wiggle room. I mean, you're not going to be hanging on it, you know what I mean? I mean, you're just, we like the tilt, and you open this up, and then, you get your, that's it. So here we go. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the update on that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.